So as you can see, there's a witch down there. And I don't want her ugly ass near me at all because she whines too much. So I'm going to try as hard as I can. Get out of my face! There's a smoky.
Ninja sword here.
My ninja sword!
Zombie's got him.
Mine! Ninja sword's my favorite. Katanas are my favorite!
Reloading.
Have some of that! Save us! Save us! And then I get karma. Karma, karma, karma. Karma charger. Karma. I hate you, Left 4 Dead. Oh, I hate you too, Noah. Yeah, shut up, bitch. Oh my god, I hate this game.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Reloading.
I hate this. Get the fuck out of my way! I'm just going ham. Ham. Come on, bitch.
Reload.
You like Japanese food? Wah!
Candy.
7 miles from my room.
Gotta reload.
Now, maybe this time, I won't fall off. Yeah. Holy shit, there's a lot of you fuckers in here. Oh, just go with the flow, motherfucker. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go with the flow.